how to change your air filter in a 1994, 95, and 96 Cadillac Fleetwood. It should also be the same for the Buick RoadMaster, the Chevy Caprice, and the Chevy Impala SS with the LT1 engine. So the hood latch on these cars should be on the driver's side of the grille, and you'll push up and lift the hood. So the latch is here, like I said, on the driver's side of the grille. If you come over to the airbox, you'll see two wing nuts here. You don't need any tools, you just need to undo them by turning them counterclockwise. So with the bolts loose, you can see that it lifts up. Now if you look in the back, you see that there's 4 slots. So you're going to want to pull this forward towards the bumper to release it from the slots. Like that. Okay, so with it out of the slots, I'm just going to lift it up just enough to slide the filter out. And I have my new filter here. And you can see the old compared to the new. So we're going to get this out, get our clean one in. So it's just a reverse of the removal process. I'm going to lift this up and slide this filter in. Once you get the filter in, just make sure that the grooves are into the slots. Push it down. We'll tighten our screws back down. And that's it. This job is done. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.